What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we are going to be working here with Lady Blue.
Hey guys.
We've officially got the Shorin side skirts out, so it's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna start sanding these things down, try to get them prepped for paint. Hopefully we can knock this out pretty soon, and then I'm assuming we should have this stuff ready for paint tonight, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, yeah. With that being said, I'm gonna put you guys on the time lapse and let's get this vlog started. Hit this with about 400 grit sandpaper. So next we're going to move on to 1,000, and then after 1,000 we're going to 1,500. So after that we can primer it and get ready for paint. All right, guys, we finished sanding. We didn't end up going to 1,500. We're just gonna try and test this out, see how the primer reacts to the sanded area that we took down. And from here, we're probably just going to end up primering them and seeing what happens. So. Quick disclaimer, do not ever paint without a mask. That is super bad for you, so do not.
I think we're high already.
Do not do that. We are obviously doing this because we don't have anything. We have one mask, but it's super cheap and super old. So I advise you guys, please do not do that. You are going to end up with black lungs. And not the smoker's lung, I mean black lungs. So, all right, let's get back to it. Alright, now that the primer's done, we are going to hit this thing with some paint, some pretty legit paint. I can't exactly remember the name of the place, but they got really legit stuff. So we are going to start with this black can right here, and then we probably won't finish everything today. We'll probably end up doing the other side skirt tomorrow. So for now, we're just going to finish off with this one, and then I'll catch you guys up. I was hoping to actually finish this tonight, but I don't think we're gonna be able to finish this. We're gonna do one more coat of clear, and then after that, we are going to let this thing dry overnight, see how it turns out in the morning, and yeah, we'll continue this process tomorrow, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, it is the next day and we finished this last night. Ran into a little minor mishap, but got it fixed, re-cleared it, and it looks pretty good. For the most part, it's already dry. So for now, we're just gonna let this kind of sit here and we are going to tackle the next one.
The Flying Nimbus. Am I really ready to part with it? Why not? If you can ride it, it's yours. The Flying Nimbus. They can fly you wherever you want. If you can ride it, it's yours.
Alright guys, it's been a few days since I started this shit. Unfortunately, I ran into some issues, as you can see here. It took me like 4 extra days to actually do this, so I don't know. I'm about 85–90% happy with it. They came out super glossy, but like I said, this thing has some imperfections, so I'll probably just end up getting them redone later. But for now, I am going to throw them on the car. Watch out, there's Mario. I'm gonna throw them on the car, and yeah, I guess we'll get this whole thing started. Okay, quick update. I forgot to mention that we also wrapped these things recently. I did not film those because, well, we did them in 2 parts and it was kind of a pain in the butt. So yeah, we got those wrapped. We'll be throwing those onto the extensions to basically match up the rear right there and match the front over here. So you guys will see a pretty straightforward line all throughout the car once I'm finished installing them.
Where is that cloud? Oh, there it is. It's about time. She's a beauty, isn't she?
Whoa! Look, Bulma! Isn't it neato? Yeah, how strange. Wow!
Don't be afraid. She's as sweet as candy.
Gosh! It's so light and puffy. Do you mind if I have a taste?
You don't eat it, you little baboon.
What does this thing do?
Alright guys, my man's here, Mario.
What's up?
Just helped me put the extensions onto the side skirts. Came out pretty dope looking. We'll install those in a bit, but for now we are going to move on to the next ones. Here we go.
If you can manage to sit on this cloud, it can fly you wherever you want.
Hey! Can I try to ride it now?
Sure, why not? But I must warn you, you must be pure of heart to ride this cloud. Yep, otherwise it won't let you on it. It's picky that way.
Wow!
Here, let an old man show you how it's done.
Alright guys, so we mocked up the other side, had some trial and error, but we're about to start this side and I will walk you through the whole process. So let's get to it. it has been a few days, like I said. We're officially done, and here you go. Yee boy. Shorin side skirts are officially installed. And now everything matches, which is pretty damn sweet. It's exactly what I wanted. It came out perfect. The fitment was pretty damn spot on. And I am super happy. The paint could be better, but it's okay. We'll do that again another day. For now, I want to thank Miriam, or I guess Lady Blue, for not only helping me paint and sand, but also wrapping the carbon fiber under trays. That came out perfect, so thank you. And Mario, part of the squad, that's a Subi back there, that shit is sick. I want to thank him also for helping me install them today, because damn, I definitely needed two hands, and
Yes, sir.
Jesus Christ, I can't get over this.
Job well done.
It looks so good.
Sitting pretty just how she should.
Yep. I can't stop admiring them. I think the car looks freaking insane.
Yeah, I would frame a photo of this just as it is right now.
Yep. Alrighty. Well, with that being said, guys, probably gonna sign this video off. I will catch you guys up on the next video and give you guys a pretty cool, like, what is it? Not a walk around, but it's like a little clip or video clip of the side skirts and the rest of the car. So catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, y'all.
Peace.
Get down,